Howdy. This is the Module 14 presentation. We're going to be going over Google Earth and its use within the classroom. So first is the Lewis and Clark lesson. I really enjoyed that because I felt like it was very interactive. There was a lot more kind of self-exploration you could do there, and rather than kind of just like show you each point along the path, it gave you a picture and it gave you like sometimes a video and an explanation of like the significance of each point. And I thought that was really cool that like you could kind of dive further than what was just kind of presented there to you. Integration into a curriculum for science curriculum, that'd be a little hard. You could talk about some of the things that they kind of discovered on their trip, such as like one big one that's very well known as the prairie dog. It was a big discovery for them. It was such a discovery that they even sent one back to St. Louis to eventually be sent to DC to show it off to the president. So then the voyage, so here's just the quick test that you had us do, titled properly. And then the voyage that I decided to do was just a quick look at the tallest volcanoes in the western United States. I thought that would be very easily kind of connected to a science classroom, and I thought that would be a great use for this tool within a science classroom. So you can see I tried to highlight one in all of the western states. Only went up to 8, just because when you get kind of down into here, they're not really notably tall. I mean, Colorado's tall, but not really notably volcanic action, just mountain, where these are all kind of notably tall volcanoes that occur in the western United States. And then you have Hawaii and Alaska. Yeah, integrating that. It'd be cool to have students go through and make their own map. You could use it with, I kind of said it on here, but like biomes, like where certain animals are. You could do volcanoes, you could do land masses, you could do a lot of things. You could do land features. Let's see, what else did I put? Yeah, mountain ranges, islands, land formations, just a lot of options you could do there for what you have your students find. So then connecting these to ISTE standards, I connected these to student standard 1.3.D, which if we go onto here, student standard 1.3, D, we have building knowledge by actively exploring real-world issues and problems by developing ideas and theories and pursuing answers and solutions. So this would just be students building knowledge by actively, exploring this, program and just kind of building out their knowledge through that and being able to build their knowledge by exploring this tool and using it kind of as they see fit to complete the project that I would assign. Let's see, then I also connected it to 2.5.B, which would be (5B), designing authentic learning activities that align with content area standards and use digital tools and resources to maximize active, deep learning. So using this, students would be maximizing their kind of hands-on learning with a lot of these things. It's one thing to talk about a lot of cool locations or geographic features throughout the world, but kind of getting on a map and seeing where those are, I think would help a lot with students' understanding of some of those topics. Let's see, the next, I connected it to SC.7.14.6.A, geoscience processes, which if we look here at 6.A, constructing an explanation based on evidence for how geoscience processes have changed Earth's surface at varying time and spatial scales. So with this, students would be able to, especially with the volcano kind of example, would be able to look at kind of where volcanoes are, how land masses have changed or fit together, to kind of construct an explanation or some evidence within kind of their own project as to how the Earth's surface has changed and kind of how that has been affected by kind of how actually Earth operates. Then that was seventh grade, and then we're looking at sc.hs.13.3.a, analyzing geoscience data. Let's see what was going. HS13. HS14, HS13A. Analyze geoscience data to make the claim that one change to Earth's surface can create feedbacks that cause changes to other Earth systems. So this one would really be connected to like changing land masses and connecting back to the volcanoes. A volcano eruption would cause a huge change in the local ecosystem and even potentially a large change with ash spreading over a large area. And so analyzing kind of that data and just how Earth changes to create change within a system is important, and Google Earth could be a good tool for that. And finally, we'll look at sc.hs.13.3.c. So that's just right here. Construct an argument based on evidence to explain the multiple processes that cause Earth's plates to move. This also connects really great back to the volcano example that I pulled out because Earth's tectonic plates and really our shale layer on Earth are very, very closely connected to geothermal events and eruptions. And so this would be a great connection to this lesson. And I believe that finishes this one out. Thank you.